Alright, let's dive into an interesting problem that many Python learners might encounter. The problem at hand revolves around f-strings and their formatting capabilities. When working with f-strings in Python, the solution provided a snippet of code that displayed some advanced formatting using curly braces in a unique way. It might leave you scratching your head, wondering why the curly braces around with are necessary in the context of the format specification. The solution to this formatting puzzle lies in the nature of the format specification mini-language in Python. These specifications are parsed as their own f-strings, and within that context, everything is considered literal and less enclosed in curly braces. If the braces were omitted, it could lead to ambiguities in the interpretation of certain characters within the format specification. Now, moving on to the specific solution presented earlier. In the example showcasing the use of the Z option, the braces around with become essential. Imagine a scenario where braces were not required. It would blur the distinction between the Z option specified within the format and the variable Z itself. This underscored the necessity of having braces for any dynamic expressions within the format specification. In summary, we delved into the intricacies of Python's format specification mini-language within f-strings, unraveling the significance of using braces for expressions within the format. Understanding this concept is crucial for harnessing the full power of f-strings in Python formatting. And with that, we wrap up our exploration. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a witty comment below.